Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning to all my dear kids out there. I hope that you all are doing good and I wish you all good luck and good health. Welcome to Punjab Public High School. My name is Miss Fiza and I'm here with my lecture number 11 of Maths for Class Playgroup. Our today's lecture is about revision of numbers. As we all know that we used to revise the numbers or alphabets in revision lecture so that we can improve our writing from better to best. So for that, without wasting time, kids, let's move towards our math notebook. Kids, here you can see our today's lecture and today's homework. And we're going to practice here numbers from 1 to 9, which we learned in our previous lectures. Kids, you can see here 1, 2, 3 and 4 columns. And here I have written these numbers. So we will write here in these columns. Let's focus our first number, that is 1. First of all, I will guide you about dots, that which pattern must be followed for each number. Number 1. For number 1, I am going to mention a single dot here. For number 2, this is our starting edge. For number 3, I will mention a single dot here. For number 4, I will place a dot right here. For number 5, again I will mention a dot here. The points where I am going to mention all these dots are really important because I'm just focusing the starting points and the exact edges where we have to start the number. Number 1 to 9 इन डॉट्स को मैंने इनके स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट्स के अकॉर्डिंगली मेंशन किया है. सो किड्स, आपने करना क्या है कि आपने इन नंबर्स को फॉलो करते हुए एग्जैक्टली सामने इन ब्लॉक्स में इस तरीके से 1 to 9 काउंटिंग लिखनी है. और हर नंबर के लिए आपका स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट वो होगा कि जिसमें एक्चुअली आपको जिस एंगल में वो नंबर लिखना है. लाइक मुझे 1 यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना है तो मैं डॉट भी स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पर ही लगाऊंगी, सो दैट इट विल हेल्प मी टू मेक दिस नंबर इन एग्जैक्ट फॉर्म. लाइक 1 को स्टार्ट मैंने यहाँ से करना है. दिस इज़ माई स्टार्टिंग point and I'm going to write like this. Just move your pencil in upward direction and then drag it down. 1. Now here is 2. Make this diagonal line like this. 2. 3. And I will suggest you some other patterns for difficult numbers. Here is 4. And here we have number 5. So these were our numbers from 1 to 5, and for number 5, if you feel any difficulty, you can add here the dots according to the difficulty which you faced while writing. And for number 3, you can also mention here 2 dots. For number 6, because this is so easy to write, I will mention a single dot. And for number 7, you can mention here 2 dots. And for number 8 and 9, 2 dots are here. So what you have to do is six. These 2 dots will help you that how can we start number 7 with its actual form. Number 8. नंबर 8 के लिए आपने इस डॉट को फॉलो करके एक सर्कल बनाना है. अगेन इसी के सेंटर से आप इस डॉट को क्रॉस करते हुए अगेन एक सर्कल बनाएंगे. देन दिस विल बी नंबर 8. एंड ऑब्वियसली फॉर नंबर 9, a straight line and then closed semicircle. So which numbers are difficult to write? Number 3, number 5, and also number 8. Even if you want to start number 4 in actual form, you can also use these 2 dots. So kids, these are the patterns which can be followed according to your requirement, but do try to write maximum numbers with single dot. In case of number 6, if you feel that you can draw this portion with some difficulty, you can add 2 dots. The second one is here. Then this will be easy to practice. I'm going to try these numbers according to the pattern which I mentioned here. 3 को स्टार्ट करने के लिए आप इसके स्टार्ट में डिफ़िकल्टी फेस कर सकते हैं. सो दिस थिंग विल बी ईजी फॉर यू. नंबर 4 के लिए एग्जैक्ट फॉर्मेशन को फॉलो करना स्टार्ट में, उसके लिए आप 2 डॉट्स ऐड कर सकते हैं. नंबर 5 में स्टार्टिंग में 3 डॉट्स, स्टार्ट में 3 डॉट्स आप ऐड कर सकते हैं. 6 का फॉर्मेशन is bit confusing whether you have to write like this or this. So this will be wrong. So you can use the second dot to write in this way. Number 8 में circles को equally draw करने के लिए आप 3 dots को still use करेंगे. और number 9 में you can easily write number 9 with help of only 2 dots like this. So kids, these were 2 kinds of patterns that you can follow while revising your numbers, and I would say that you must follow these patterns as well as in your rough notebook. Except your homework, your daily homework, you have to practice these numbers on your rough notebooks so that you can write in a better way. and you can also skip the dots easily because practice will improve your writing. So kids, this was all about our today's lecture. That was revision from number 1 to 9. So do your homework properly by using at least 2 or 3 columns. This is compulsory to use 3 columns. I'm going to mark here 1, 2, 3. So at least utilize these 3 columns for better practice. Now I would say goodbye with a wish that you all be good at your skills. So now it's time to say goodbye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.